Hello everyone, it's Game Mills 300 George Mills here, and today this is our last video in 2018 before 2019 starts next week. So if you want to watch my previous videos, go watch it now, because and this is our very nice now, because this is a special. Before we're doing a special unboxing video, just to say I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year with you all over the countries, and I hope you had a wonderful year. Looking forward to 2019, and looking forward to 2019, and and today is the 25th December 2018, and in this video we're going to do a special unboxing video of the Sony Cybershot DSC-WX500, which I bought from Amazon.co.uk, which is £200, and it's got 18.2 megapixels, 30 times optical zoom, 60 frames per second, high quality video, and 180 tiltable screen. So in this video I'm going to box it right now. So I thought that camera was really nice, just to say. Now the reason why I bought this camera is because I'm a photographer, and I'm gonna make YouTube videos. I'm gonna make new videos on YouTube with my new camera very soon, next year. So these are the instructions of the camera. Here we have the power cord. Here we have the power AC cord. Here we have the AC adapter, which is charging your battery before it runs out. Got micro USB to micro. You got standard USB to micro USB. So it's really not really good. Got a wrist strap. And you got a battery, which is BWX1 lithium battery, which is quite good. And the last thing is the camera. So yeah, this is really nice. It has got a tiltable screen, so I'll show it to you right now. If I just it will put the fingers to it. If I put the finger up to it, and this is the camera. Wow, this is stunning looking camera. I can't wait to make videos, make new videos of my new standard camera. So it's a pop-up flash, which is quite good, and I can't wait to set this all up. So thank you very much, guys. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and comment down below what you thought. Make sure you click the bell, and make sure you click the bell of what you missed the video, and a quick message to say a very happy have a wonderful time, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and have a wonderful year, and I will see you in 2019. I'll see you in a new video in 2019. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.